just giving Georgie a little bit of a pep talk. We believe these are the Organ Mountains. Wanted to go climb there, but the weather's just not quite good enough. Arizona! We're here!
So we are at our second boondocking site. Our first week of boondocking at Holloman Lake went so good, we decided that we should try and make it our default. It's just really fun to always have kind of an open area to play with the dogs, and it's free. So, and also you get to be in some awesome places like this. We are parked right at the base of these mountains, and the mountains are kind of like just like a boulder field, really. And so we have all of these boulders. I mean, they're huge, but they, you know, are scattered all over this mountainside, and it's really pretty. And we're excited to go climb up them. Maybe try and get to the top of that tall one right there. Yeah, it's really cool. It's really awesome getting to wake up to this. One thing about this is we are on ranching land, and so there are cows that randomly just walk through your campsite, like this one. So he's been hanging around all morning. We woke up and he was right outside our RV. The dogs did not really like that. But yeah, he's just hanging out, eating grass. Seems pretty friendly. Friendly enough anyway. I don't know if I'd pet it. We tried to approach it, but I don't know. It didn't really seem to like us. So we'll leave him alone. But you definitely have to watch out for cow patties here, because they're kind of everywhere. But hey, for a view like this, it's awesome.
Station is out of gas, completely out. So we have to drive like 13 minutes to a different one.
Yeah. But it's also where the other gas station is also where the grocery store is. So I guess we're gonna go grocery shopping too.
Yeah. So interesting. The grocery store search continues. That gas station did not have a grocery store. It was just like a big, like, quick stop kind of groceries. But there was a Subway, so that's cool.
So there's a weather system coming through the area, and there's wind advisories. So it's like 30 to 35 mile an hour winds, sustained with 50 mile an hour gusts, which we've dealt with that before, so not too bad. And then also a good amount of rain and cloudy, but it's just weird. We've driven like 10 miles from our campsite and we've experienced high winds, high wind gusts, clouds. We've seen rainbows. Parts of it are sunny. It's been raining, and then now it's snowing, but it's 38 degrees outside because we went up just like a little bit in elevation and now it's snowing. It's crazy. So because the weather was bad, we just decided to kind of drive around, check some things out, and we ended up in, oh man, I'm gonna butcher it. It's the like Chiricahua National Monument in southeastern Arizona. It's actually really nice. Well, I mean, I guess it's not nice, it's pretty, but the road to the top of the monument is closed because they have some downed trees, and it's like a 6 or 7 mile hike, and it's noon right now, but we don't really have anything better to do, so we're gonna give it a shot. The lady in the park office said they might get an inch of snow this afternoon, and it just started snowing, so I don't know. We'll see how far we can make it, but it's kind of fun. We got our snow gear out and did everything, and the dogs are happy to be stretching their legs, so we'll see how far we make it. But it's really windy and we can't see much. It's really pretty, but 3 miles back down, so better get started. Oh, it's like snowing and sleeting a little bit from the wind. Oh, I didn't bring my sunglasses. It hurts. It is fun. Slightly painful, but fun. So I may have mentioned it before, but I didn't have the name right in front of me. So we are at the Chiricahua National Monument. Yeah, this is how you spell it. I don't know how to say it. I'm not good at all with these Indian names. We did the Lower Rhyolite Canyon Trail, and then Splits, and then we took the Sarah Deming Trail up to Pinnacle Balanced Rock and Big Balanced Rock and that stuff. It's a 6 mile out and back trail with an elevation gain of 1,400 feet. But the incline was really steady right until the very end. So there's like no steps. It was really nice. When you get to the top, there's also a loop trail you can do. It's a 1 mile loop trail at the top. We didn't really feel like doing it.
It was really windy.
It was really windy and snowy and like, I don't know, really dark clouds. It looked like it was gonna storm or something. So we decided not to, and we were getting kind of tired, So
I wish I would have brought the Nikon on that hike because it was very cool. The views were awesome the whole time. Probably one of our favorite hikes we've done so far. It was snowing, but that just goes to show, you can't wait for the ideal scenario for everything you want to do. So we thought about waiting to do this hike until the weather was better, but we didn't know if we would be here, how long we would be here. So we're glad that we did the hike, even though the weather conditions were not ideal. They weren't dangerous. Don't be stupid, but yeah, we had a great time. It was so fun. The dogs loved it. Not crowded. We saw 4 people the whole time. So, but great views. It was awesome. But we're kind of cold. So we're gonna get some hot chocolate and warm up in the RV at our awesome boondocking site. So if you want to see more, subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for us.